Hello and welcome everyone to this new video. Today in this video we are going to solve LeetCode easy level question, and the question is 2 city scheduling. Okay, so first of all let me introduce to the question. Okay, so in our question we will be given 2n number of data entries. Okay, and for each entry we will have this cost of traveling to city A and traveling to city B. And finally what we have to do is we have to return minimum cost in which these 2n people can go to city A and city B. Okay, so n will go to city A and n people will go to city B, and we have to return minimum cost in which we can do that. Okay, so this was the question. So it might be like you might be thinking you can just return the minimum value and we will get our answer. So that will work in this case, because in this case the minimum are 10, 30, 50 and 20. So 2 will be for city A and 2 will be for city B. But if you see this test case, in the minimum elements will be this, 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 this and this. So if you are going to pick only minimum element and you gonna sum and return it, then out of 6, 5 will go to city B and only 1 will go to city A. So that is not required in our question. In our question we have to return we have to find or calculate the minimum cost in which 3 will go to city A and 3% will go to city B, and we have to minimize that cost. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will going to find difference of the cost traveling to city A and city B by a person. Okay, so in this case 770 minus 259 will be equal to 551, and according to that I have calculated the difference for all this 6% data. Okay, and what I am going to do is I will sort according to this difference and I will make a pair. So this distance belongs to index 0, this one belongs to index 1. Okay, and I'm going to sort it. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm going to save maximum amount of money I can save. Okay, so highest difference is 772. You can think like this: if I am sending this person to city B, so I am saving this much amount of money. Okay, so I am going to save from maximum to the minimum. Okay, so according to this sorted difference of cost array, I'll go and pick my entries. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do is I'll first of all I'll see that difference is 772 and it belongs to index 4th. So I'll check if my count of city B, like this, in this case minimum will be going to city B. So I'll check if already people went to city B are equal to 3 or greater than 3, then I will choose this, and if it's less or equal to 3, then I'll go with this. Okay, and by doing this I can calculate my final distance. So first of all for 722 the person will go to city B. For 551 distance I'll check his index, so it belongs to index 0. So in this case I can send that person in city A, and I will also keep the count of cities. So for A and B we have 1 person. Okay, then for 394 it belongs to index 1. Okay, and I will send this person to city B and I will increment this. Now for 259 it belongs to index 2 and the person will go to city B and the count will be 3. Okay, so we don't require more person in city B because half number of people are already there. So for 259 we did this, and for 108 we will check index 5. Minimum is this, but number of people for city B are already full. So irrespective of that, we will send all the remaining to city A. Okay, so if we calculate the sum of these cost, our final answer will be 1859. And we are making the difference vector or array, and we are sorting it, so that will take O of n log n being the number of these data points. Okay, so our time complexity will be O of n log n. Okay, I hope everyone understand this logic. Basically we are calculating the difference and we are seeing according to that, keeping the count of person went to city A and city B, and finally returning the minimum cost. Okay, now we'll move to the coding part. So first of all, I'm going to make a vector pair that will be int comma int, and let's name it as v. Okay, now for int I 0 to I is less than costs dot size and I plus plus, then now let's calculate difference. Int difference will be absolute of cost I 0 minus cost I 1. Okay, so this is our difference, and now we are going to push this pair. So make pair difference and index. Okay, now we are going to sort this. So sort v dot begin to v dot end, and okay, so now we'll have int answer initialized to 0, and we'll have a count A that will also be 0, then count B and initialize it to 0, then mid that will be cost dot size divided by 2. This is basically for checking like this number of people can go to a particular city. Okay, then for int 0 to i's. Okay, so our array is basically sorted in ascending order, and we want to recurse it from increasing to decreasing. Either you can sort it according to descending order, but you can also do like cost dot size minus 1 and i's greater than equals to 0 and I minus minus. Okay, and then now we'll find for a particular pair which index has its minimum value, either its 0th index or first index. Okay, so basically which city has less cost. Okay, so that will be costs v of I dot second 0. Okay, if it is greater than, okay, it's if it is greater than cost v of I dot seconds 1. Okay, so if that is greater than this, we are going to return 1, either we are going to return 0. Okay, so this is how we'll find our min index having lesser cost. Okay, then we'll check if our count A is greater than or equals to mid irrespective of anything, we are going to second city. Okay, so costs v of I dot second one. Okay, and we will increment count of b, and same for else if count b is greater than this. So what we are going to do is we are going to city 1 and increment count of a. Else if our minimum index is 1, then basically in this else statement, if our minimum index is 1 and count a and count b are less than the half of our data set, then we are going to that city. Okay, so if min index is 1, we are going to city b, or with city having index 1. Okay, so cost v of I dot second and then 1. Okay, and we are going to increment count of b, count b plus plus, and else we are going to city a. Okay, so if that's not the case, we are going to city a and we are going to increment count of a plus plus, and at the end we are going to return our answer. Okay, so let's try running our code. Okay, accepted. Let's submit it. Okay, so it got accepted. So this was 2-city scheduling problem. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. So thank you so much and bye bye.